In this video, I will show you how to work with your animations after importing them from Blender or any 3D software of your preference. Simply drag and drop the GLB file into Badvisor. In this case, I am using the Sandbox 3D viewport, which is going to be useful to test animations before importing them into the final scene. Once the asset finishes loading, you will see a new menu that will pop up in the outliner. Click on it and you will see listed all the imported animations for your assets. Naming conventions are really important, so please mind naming them properly. Click on any animation to open the node, and here you can play, pause, or stop the animation. You can map these attributes with the animation node if you want to. Open the 3D elements and click on the armature. You can open all the sub-elements to go through all the bones and open its respective node. With this node, you can also move, rotate, or scale it. This comes in handy when you want to animate any particular bone. Now try to import any asset with animations and give it a try.